Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Exam Connection. It makes your preparation to next level. So guys, this is the sixth part of this series 800 MCQ of cell biology. So almost ये complete होने वाला है. मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि इसको कम से कम इस वीडियो में कंप्लीट करने का थोड़ा सा स्पीड से चलेंगे ताकि कवर अप हो जाए और हम नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक है उस पर चले जाएं. ओके, सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. Pyrimidine of RNA are represented by a thymine and cytosine, adenine and cytosine, uracil and guanine, and adenine and guanine. And the correct answer is C, uracil and guanine. In which among the following double-stranded RNA is present? A. Mitochondria, B. Reovirus, C. Bacteria, and D. Chloroplast. And the correct answer is B. Reovirus. A nitrogenous base together with a deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group form a polypeptide, B nucleotide, C nucleoside, D amino acid, and the correct answer is B nucleotide. RNA is absent in A. Plasma lemma, B. Cytoplasm, C. Ribosomes, D. Chromosomes, and the correct answer is A. Plasma lemma. RNA differ from DNA in the substitution of sugar ribose with the deoxyribose and of the nitrogenous base thymine with A. Adenine, B. Guanine, C. Uracil, and D. Water. And the correct answer is C. Uracil. In DNA, the sugar is A. Deoxyribose, B. Ribose, C. Xylose, and D. Arabinose. And the correct answer is C. Xylose. DNA is always double stranded, B. Rarely single stranded, C. Always single stranded, rarely double stranded, and the correct answer is A. Always double stranded. DNA is present in A. Nucleus, B. Plasma membranes, C. Mitochondria, D. Both mitochondria and nucleus, and the correct answer is A. Nucleus. Strands of DNA are bound by A. Hydrogen bond, B. Phosphate diester bond, C. Covalent bond, and D. Ionic bond. And the correct answer is ionic bond. In DNA, guanine pair with A. Cytosine, thymine, uracil, D. Adenine, and the correct answer is A. Cytosine. Nucleoprotein most probably provide the first sign of a life. B. Sugar, C. Amino acid, D. Soil, and the correct answer is A. Life. Sex cells generally possess half the amount of DNA as the body cell, half the amount of RNA as the body cell, the same amount of TPN as the body cell, twice the amount of DNA as the body cell, and the correct answer is A. Half amount of DNA as the body cell. Watson and Crick are credited for the finding A. DNA is the carrier of genetic information, B. DNA is double-stranded helix, RNA is double-stranded helix, DNA is composed of sugar, phosphoric acid, nitrogenous base, and the correct answer is D. DNA is the double-stranded helix. The strongest evidence that DNA is the genetic material comes from the fact the chromosomes are made up of DNA, B. Studies on the transformation of the bacterial cell, the knowledge that DNA is represented in the nucleus, and D. The finding that DNA is not represented in the cytoplasm. And the correct answer is B. Study of the transformation. ग्रिफिथ का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रैक्टिकल है जो उन्होंने माउस पे किया था। इससे पता चला कि डीएनए इज अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल, एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में ये ट्रांसफर होता है। ओके, सर्कुलर डीएनए इज सीन इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑफ एन यूकैरियोटिक सेल, बी ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी, सी वायरस, डी fungus. And the correct answer is A, chloroplast of the an eukaryotic cell. Who among the following scientists developed cytochemical technique for the presence of DNA? A. Johnson, B. Fuellgen and Rosenberg, C. MC Clintock, and D. Hamerling. And the correct answer is Fuellgen and Rosenberg. Nobel Prize to A. Korenberg and S. Okha was given for artificial synthesis of DNA and RNA, B. theory of natural selection. तो किस में मिला इनको? Artificial synthesis of DNA and RNA synthesis. Instead of the chromosome, which of the following has the DNA? A. Chlamydomonas, B. Plasmodiphora, A. C. Anabaena, D. Volvox. And the correct answer is C. Anabaena. Artificial synthesis of DNA was done by Korenberg. The process by which DNA of the nucleus passes genetic information to messenger RNA is called A. Transcription, B. Transportation, C. Translation, and D. Translocation, and D. Translation. And the correct answer is A. Transcription. DNA differ from RNA in having adenine, B. thymine, C. cytosine, and D. uracil. And the correct answer is uracil. Duplication of DNA is called A. Transduction, B. Transcription, C. Translation, and D. Replication. And the correct answer is replication. DNA helix model was given by Watson and Crick, Knoll and Rush, खुराना, and D is the Priestley. तो किसने किया था? Watson and Crick ने. The diameter of DNA molecule is A. 50 angstrom, B. 20 angstrom, D. 100 angstrom, and D. 200 angstrom. And the correct answer is 20 angstrom. Arabose but not deoxyribose nucleotide is cytosine pentose sugar phosphate, B. guanine pentose sugar phosphate, C. thymine pentose sugar phosphate, D. uracil pentose sugar phosphate. And the correct answer is D. uracil pentose sugar phosphate. DNA generally act as the template for the synthesis of A. only protein, B. only DNA, C. only RNA, D. both DNA and RNA. And the correct answer is D. both DNA and RNA. A cell is about to divide, though not to make sperm or egg. Just before this division, the amount of DNA is A half, B remains the same, C double, and D decrease, and the correct answer is C double. The genetic information is carried by long chain molecules of A enzyme, B amino acid, C nucleotide, and D chromosome, and the correct answer is C nucleotide. Distance between strand of DNA, again repeated, 20 angstrom. Cytochromes are found in A. Matrix of mitochondria, B. Cristae of mitochondria, C. Lysosomes, D. Outer wall of mitochondria, and the correct answer is Cristae of mitochondria. The types of RNA specially responsible for directing the proper sequence of amino acid in protein synthesis is A. Ribosomal RNA, B. Messenger RNA, C. Chromosomal RNA, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Messenger RNA. A nucleotide consists of A. Nitrogen base, pentose sugar, and phosphate, B. Nitrogen base and pentose sugar, C. Nitrogen base and phosphate, D. Pentose sugar and phosphate. And the correct answer is A. Nitrogen base, pentose sugar, and phosphate. Which three cellular structures are mostly directly concerned with continuation of species? Cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm, cell wall, plastid, D. Nucleus, chromosomes, gene. And the correct answer is nucleus, chromosome, and gene. The function of transfer RNA is A. Selection of amino acid, B. Production of messenger RNA, C. Production of ribosome, D. Production of microsome. And the correct answer is A. Selection of amino acid. Which of the following is the capable of self-replication? A. Enzyme, B. A. Carbohydrate molecule. Self-replication. C. Water, and D. Nucleic acid. And the correct answer is D. Nucleic acid. Self-replicate. Mitochondria and chloroplast are believed to be bacterial and endosymbionts of cells because they have their own nucleic acid. B. Their membrane resemble those of bacteria. C. They do not arise de novo. They have all above attributes. And the correct answer is D. They have all above attributes. Based on his own observation as well as those of others, in 1838, Schiavone made a tentative statement that all living things are made of cells. The first suggested in 1838, this statement was A. An assumption, B. An observation, A. Generalization, D. A law. And the correct answer is C is a generalization given by Schwann. Which one of the following is a non-protoplasmic cell inclusion? A. Ribosomes, B. Mitochondria, C. Lysosome, D. Cytoliths. And the correct answer is cytolith. non-protein protoplasmic inclusion. The main function of the plasma membrane is to regulate the flow of the material into the outside of the cell, maintain the cell shape and size, control of all cellular activity, restore cell material. And the correct answer is A. Regulate the flow of material into the outside of cell. If living cells similar to those found on Earth were found on another planet where there was no oxygen, which cell organelle would most likely be absent? A. Cell nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Cell membrane, D. Chromosomes or DNA. And the correct answer is B. Mitochondria. The 80 ribosomes are made up of C, 60 and 47. In cell transport, the difference between permeable transport and bulk transport relate to structure of molecules allowed to pass, solvent system, as well as structure of nucleus are applicable. C. Solvent system is applicable. D. Molecular weight of atoms to pass through. And the correct answer is A. Structure of molecule allowed to pass through in the bulk transport of material in plasmolema. Nucleocytoplasmic traffic through nuclear pore is facilitated by A. Protein nucleoplasm, B. Protein rhodospin, C. Nuclear lamina, D. Lipid bilayer of all membrane. And the correct answer is C. Nuclear lamina. Most plant cells are surrounded by cell wall. There are some exceptions from example. A. Root hair, B. Bacteria, C. Stem hair, D. Gametes. The correct answer is gametes. Which of the following structure is thought to the exceptionally rich in hydrolytic enzyme? A. Lysosome, B. Microsomes, C. Chromosomes, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is liposomes have a hydrolytic enzyme. A prokaryotic cell lacks A. Nuclear membrane, B. Nucleus, C. Membrane bound cell organelle, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. ये सभी. Which of the following is having a prokaryotic cell? A. Spirogyra, B. Amoeba, C. Rhizopus, and D. E. coli, Escherichia coli. And the correct answer is D. E. coli. Having a prokaryotic cell because it's a bacteria. Credit for the stabilizing the nucleus as an important biological entity goes to Robert Hooke, Marcello Malpighi, C. Robert Brown, and D. Ninma Grew. And the correct answer is Robert Brown. Which of the following will comprise the most appropriate distinctions of the prokaryotic cell? Distinguish them from the eukaryotic cell. A. Lack of DNA and nuclei. B. Having disappeared DNA without nuclear membrane, and by their lack of the membrane bound organelle like the plastid and mitochondria. And the Correct answer is B. Having the without nuclear membrane and membrane bound organelle like the plastid and mitochondria. In order to enable a chemical to serve as a genetic code, it is essential that the chemical should be A. Able to duplicate itself, B. Able to form itself into long spiral molecules, C. A compound of pyrimidine and purines, D. Easily changed. And the correct answer is C. A compound of pyrimidine and purine. DNA replication is continuous and conservative, B. Discontinuous and semi-conservative, C. Semi-discontinuous and conservative, semi-conservative, and D. Conservative and semi-discontinuous. And the correct answer is B. Discontinuous and semi-conservative. The stain involved in the Fulton reaction, the stain DNA is Genatin violet, B. Cotton blue, C. Natural red, D. Basic fusion. And the correct answer is basic fusion. Pantosomes are found in A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Nucleus, D. Lysosome. And the correct answer is B. Chloroplast. Formation of RNA and DNA is known as A. Translation, B. Translocation, C. Transformation, D. Transcription. And the correct answer is D. Transcription. Which of the following element contributes to the formation of middle lamella? A. Sodium, B. Iron, C. Potassium, and D. Calcium. And the correct answer is D. Calcium. Which of the following is the smallest RNA? A. Messenger RNA, B. Ribosomal RNA, C. Transfer RNA, D. Chromosomal RNA. And the correct answer is C. Transfer RNA. An organelle show a high folded inner wall. Ultrasonic disruptions of the organelle yields fragments which can synthesize ATP through organelle is A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast. So synthesis of ATP is directly related to mitochondria. The process of glycolysis take place in mitochondria. So that's why the formation of ATP is in mitochondria. Which of the following statement is not consistent with the double helical model of DNA? The amount of A plus T divided by C plus G is not constant in different organism. B. Density decrease on heating. C equal to A equal to C equal to G. D. According to X-ray diffraction, it is double helical structure, and the correct answer is A. The amount of A plus T. This is the more important. This is the equal amount of A, T, and Cg. This is the A plus T upon C plus G. All are 25%. 25, 25, 25, 25 is a 100%. Replication of DNA is eukaryotes comes from A. One end of the chromatid extending to the other end. B. Both ends of the chromatid simultaneously. C. The centromere to either of the ends of chromatid. Several sites along the DNA of the chromatid simultaneously. The correct answer is D. The several sites along the DNA of the chromatid is simultaneously. DNA strands are antiparallel because of A. Hydrogen bond, B. Disulfide bond, C. Phosphate diester bond, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Hydrogen bond. The correct statement is that RNA is double stranded, B. RNA is single stranded, C. Most circular DNA RNA is single stranded. Both double and single RNA are present in equal amount. Correct answer is RNA is single strand and the most cellular RNA is single strand. There are, तो ये दोनों क्वेश्चन में से ये भी सही है और ये भी सही है. If an isolated strain of DNA is kept at 82 to 90 degrees centigrade, then it changes into RNA. It divides into the million pieces. C. No effect. And D. Uncoils into the helix. And the correct answer is uncoils into helix. Ribosomes are concerned with the synthesis of A. Protein, B. Carbohydrate, C. Alkaloid, and D. Phosphate. And the correct answer is protein. Which of the following will comprise the most appropriate distinction in prokaryotes to eukaryotes? Lack of nuclei, having disappeared DNA without nuclear membrane, and lack of membrane bound organelle like plastid. C. Lack of ribosome. B. Biochemistry being fundamentally different. This is the correct answer is having the disappeared DNA without nuclear membrane and lack of the membrane bound organelle like plastid. RNA serve important role in, everybody knows this, protein synthesis. The scientist who first synthesized DNA in vitro was, and the correct answer is D. H.C. Khurana. Gene is A segments of DNA, B. A segment of DNA in histone, C. A segment of DNA, RNA and histone, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is a segment of DNA. Sex chromosomes may be found in unisexual flower, unisexual plant, hermaphrodite plant या monocarpic plant. And the correct answer is C. Hermaphrodite plant. The chromosomes found during the prolonged stage of the mitotic phase prophase in the salivary gland Drosophila. Sorry, this is the unisexual flower or unisexual plant also. Unisexual plant, not flower. The chromosome found during the prolonged stage of mitotic prophase in the salivary gland of Drosophila are B. Chromosomes, B. Lambrus chromosome, C. Normal chromosomes, D. Polytene chromosomes. And the correct answer is B. Lambrus chromosome. Ribosomes consist almost entirely of A. Protein and RNA, B. Protein, RNA and amino acid, C. Protein and DNA, D. RNA and DNA. And the correct answer is B. Protein, RNA and amino acids. The cell wall is A. Permeable, B. Semi-permeable, C. Differentially permeable, D. Impermeable, and the correct answer is permeable. Permeable. Fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane was given by Sladen and Swan, B. Gotter and Grendel, C. Singer and Nicholson, and D. Nageli and Karmer. And the correct answer is C. Singer and Nicholson. Is given by the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Inner folding of mitochondria is A. Christie, B. Oxysomes, C. Matrix, and D. Microsomes. And the correct answer is A. Christie. These all parts of microsomes, matrix, oxysome, and chromosome, they all are present in mitochondria. Which organelle change the chemical energy into utilizer energy? A. Microsome, B. Lysosome, C. Mitochondria, and D. Endoplasmic reticulum. And the correct answer is C. Mitochondria. The glucose converted into the form of energy is called ATP. Which does not have DNA? A. Nucleus, B. Chloroplast, C. Mitochondria, and D. Ribosomes. And the correct answer is D. Ribosomes. Two strands are attached by A. Hydrogen bond, B. Peptide bond, C. Disulfide bond, and D. Phosphate bond. And the correct answer is A. B. Sorry, correct answer is B. Peptide bond. Yeah, ionic bond. In genetic engineering, for the culturing of DNA segments, which of the enzyme is used? A. Restriction nuclease, B. Ligase, C. DNA polymerase, D. ATPase. And the correct answer is A. Restriction nuclease. Enzyme necessary for the transcription is A. DNA polymerase, B. RNA polymerase, C. Endonuclease, D. RNase. The correct answer is B. RNA polymerase. Most abundant RNA is in a cell is ribosomal RNA, nuclear RNA, C. Transfer RNA, D. Transfer RNA leucine. And the correct answer is A. Ribosomal RNA. Hydrogen bonding in DNA occur between the A. Bases, B. Deoxyribose sugar, C. Ribose sugar, and D. PO4 molecule, phosphate molecule. And the correct answer is A. Bases. Electron microscope has revealed the presence of A. Ribosomes, B. Nucleus, C. Chromosome, D. Nucleolus. And the correct answer is A. Ribosomes. Lysosomes function in A. Protein synthesis, B. Processing and packaging, C. Intracellular digestion, D. Lipid synthesis. And the correct answer is C. Intracellular digestion. Mitochondria. A. Contain carina and Christie, B. Carry on cellular respiration, C. Break down ATP to release energy, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Carry on the cellular respiration. Cilia and flagella contain A. Actin filaments, B. Tubulin dimers, C. Microtubules, D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is A and C, AB or AB. The endosymbiontic theory explained A. The grain of mitochondria and chloroplast. The origin of mitochondria and chloroplast. B. The origin of nucleus. C. Where the endomembrane system came from. D. Why prokaryotic cells are differ from eukaryotic cells. And the correct answer is A. Origin of mitochondria and chloroplast. The endosymbiotic theory. Vessels from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum most likely are on their way to the A. Lysosomes, B. Golgi apparatus, C. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, D. Plant cell vacuole only. And the correct answer is B. Golgi apparatus. Which of these is not found in the nucleus? A. Nucleoplasm instead of cytoplasm. Nucleolus that produce ribosomal RNA. C. Chromatin that condense to the chromosomes. D. Functioning ribosomes. And the correct answer is D. Functioning ribosomes. The small size of cell is best correlated with their prokaryotes versus eukaryote nature. They are self-reproducing and adequate surface are exchange of material. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. An adequate surface area for exchange of the material. Experiments on Acetobularia proved that A. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio is constant. Chromosomes are the bearers of heredity. C. Nucleus determines the heredity on an individual. D. Cytoplasm play a key role in the differentiation. And the correct answer is C. Nucleus determines heredity of the individuals. Because of nucleus contain DNA, so DNA is a genetic material and cause of heredity. The role of nucleus in regulating the morphological differentiation was discovered in A. Drosophila Morgan, B. Acetobularia Humling, C. Garden P. Mendel, D. Neurospora beetle and Tatum. These are the botanists and they are the plant they explain and they experiment on this. The role of nucleus regulating the morphological differences was discovered in the answer is Acetobularia Hammerling. Hammerling performed the experiment of Acetobularia by exchange rhizoids in stalk, B. gametes, C. nucleus, D. cytoplasm. And the correct answer is A. Rhizoids and stalks. Saliva test in Olympic Games is related to autosomes, B. Y chromosome, C. X chromosome, D. Sex chromosome. And the correct answer is C. X chromosomes. Bar bodies is defined the contestant, the player are male or female. Chloroplasts are called semi-autonomous structure due to the presence of A. DNA only, B. RNA only, C. DNA and RNA only. D. Pigments of protein. And the correct answer is DNA and RNA. Which ribosomes attach to messenger RNA form A. Ribosomal complex, B. Protein complex, protein ribosome complex, C. Polyribosomes, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Polyribosomes. Name of hormone specific for cell division is A. Gibberellin, B. Kinetin, C. Auxin, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. Sorry, B. Chitin. Stroma and grana lamellae are found in A. Chloroplast, B. Ribosomes, C. Golgi body, D. Mitochondria. And the correct answer is C. Chloroplast. The protoplasm is A. Suspension, B. Emulsion, C. Colloidal solution, and D. True solution. And the correct answer is colloidal solution. The color of chromoplast is A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Orange, D. All of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Nucleotide is A. Base, sugar, and hydroxyl group, B. Base, sugar, and phosphate, base, sugar, and phosphate, and molecule, and D. Sugar and phosphate. And the correct answer is base, sugar, and phosphate. DNA structure is held by base pairing. Now, which of the following pair is present in DNA? A. Adenine and cytosine, B. Guanine and thymine, C. Adenine and guanine, and D. Guanine and cytosine. And the correct answer is guanine and cytosine. Fluid mosaic model was proposed by A. Dawson and Danieli, B. Singer and Nicholson, C. Garner and Allard, D. Dixon and Joly. And the correct answer is Singer and Nicholson. Lysosomes are known as the suicidal bag because of, is a repeated question, the hydrolytic activity. Ribosomes are the site of, is again repeated, protein synthesis. Average thickness of unit cell membrane is A 5 angstrom, 25 angstrom, C 75 angstrom, and D 250 angstrom. And the correct answer is 75 angstrom. Plasma membrane is made up of A. Protein only, B. Lipid only, C. Protein and lipid both, D. Protein, lipid, and carbohydrate. And the correct answer is protein, lipid, and lipid both. Because the fluid mosaic model is the completely based on the plasma membrane is the form made up of protein and lipid. Oxysomes are present on A. Inner membrane of mitochondria. is again repeated question. ये inner membrane of mitochondria होता है. The delimiting outer membrane is absent in A. Mitochondria, B. Nucleoli, C. Lysosomes, and D. Plastid. And the correct answer is lysosomes. Sorry, the correct answer is nucleoli. Sorry. The two organelles responsible for cytoplasmic inheritance among the eukaryotes are A. Lysosomes and mitochondria, B. Mitochondria and Golgi complex, C. Chloroplast and mitochondria, and D. Chloroplast and lysosome. And the correct answer is chloroplast and mitochondria. Experiment using N15 heavy nitrogen to confirm the semi-conservative replication of DNA were carried out by A. Michelson and Stahl, B. Hershey and Chase, C. Beadle and Tatum, and D. Watson and Crick. And the correct answer is A. Mason and Starr. Which site of transfer RNA molecule hydrogen bonds to a messenger RNA molecules? A. Codon, B. Anticodon, C. 5 end of the transfer molecules, D. 3 ends of the transfer molecules. And the correct answer is B. Anticodon. The organelles whose major the function is storage of hydrolytic enzymes are A. Centrioles, B. Chromoplast, C. Lysosomes, D. Chloroplast. And the correct answer is C. Lysosomes. In view of current status of your knowledge about the cell structure, which of the following statements about cell theory is correct? Is the cell theory needed modification due to the discovery of subcellular structures such as the chloroplast and mitochondria. B. The cell theory does not hold good signs. All living organisms are not cellular in organization. Example virus. The cell theory means that living objects consist of the cell whether or not capable to reproducing. And D. The cell theory means all living objects okay, and the correct answer is B. The cell theory does not hold good signs. All living organisms are not cellular in organization because the most of organisms are also the tissue or level organization, organ level organization, and organ system level organization, and the few organisms are only the cellular organization. Example virus. 715. Middle lamella is composed of A. Lignin, B. Submarine, C. Calcium pectate, D. Calcium phosphate. And the correct answer is calcium pectate. The two main constituents of plasma membrane are A. Calcium ion and lipids, B. Calcium and protein, C. Protein and carbohydrate, and D. Lipid and protein. And the correct answer is D. Lipid and protein. Plant cells differ from the animals in cell wall absent and chloroplast present in animal cells. Cell wall present and chloroplast present in plant cells. Cell wall present and chloroplast absent in plant cells. Cell wall absent and chloroplast present in plant cell. And the correct answer is B. Cell wall present and chloroplast present in plant cell. Because the cell wall is absent in animal cell and chloroplast also absent in animal cell. Glyoxysomes are connected with the metabolism of A. Protein, B. Carbohydrates, C. Fats, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Fats. Jumping gene occur in A. Bacteria, B. Bacteriophage, C. Eukaryotes, and D. Both eukaryotes and D. Prokaryotes. And the correct answer is D. Both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. The minimum cell size that can be seen by light microscope is 1 mu, B 0.5 mu, C 0.25 mu, D 0.1 mu, and the correct answer is C 0.25 mu. Protein tubulin does not occur in A. Microtubules, B. Plasma membrane, C. Flagella, and D. Cilia. And the correct answer is B. Plasma membrane. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, tubulin, and lignin. B. Cellulose, hemicellulose, tubulin, and lignin. C. Lipid, hemicellulose, pectin, and lignin. D. lipid, hemicellulose, pectin and protein, and the correct answer is A, cellulose, hemicellulose and tubulin and lignin. Which of the following will show dimorphism of the chloroplast? Show the dimorphism in the chloroplast. A is sugar beet, B wheat, C sugarcane and D rice, and the correct answer is sugarcane. Is a dimorphism show करता है. The core of nucleosome is made up of A DNA, B histone, C H2A, H2B, H3, H4, H histone, D histone, H2A, H2B, H3A, H3B and H4, and the correct answer is B, C histone octamer, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Genopore is the name of A, circular DNA, B, bacterial DNA, C, singular double stranded DNA, D, none of these, and the correct answer is B, bacterial DNA. Schwann and Sladens are associated with A, cell theory, B, protoplasm, the physical basis of life, C, DNA is the genetic material, and D, showing the importance of nucleus. The correct answer is A, cell theory. Cell is the unit of life. 727. Bulbian rings are associated with the synthesis of A, starch, B, fats and lipids, C, polysaccharides, D, messenger RNA, and the correct answer is messenger RNA and proteins. Golgi apparatus is absent in A, liver cell, B, RBC, C, blue-green algae, and D, higher plant. And the correct answer is C, blue-green algae. The membranous bag of hydrolyzing enzyme used for the intracellular digestion of macromolecules is A, phagosomes, B, lysosomes, C, endoplasmic reticulum, D, nucleosome. The correct answer is B, lysosome. The cell recognition and adhesion in a cell is due to the components of plasma membrane. These components are A, protein molecule alone, lipid molecule alone, C, both protein and lipid molecule, D, glycoprotein and glycolipids, and the correct answer is D, glycoprotein and glycolipids. Plasmid is outgrowth of plasma membrane, B, part of ribosome, C, extranuclear DNA, and A, plastid, and the correct answer is A, extracellular nuclear DNA. DNA consists of two complementary nucleotide chains. If the sequence of nucleotide in one of the chain is AGCTTCGA, then the nucleotide sequence is the other chain in shall be. तो इसका जो दूसरा सीक्वेंस होगा वो कौन सा होगा? And the correct answer is TCGAA-GCT. In DNA of 10% genuine is present, how much thymine is present? A10, B40, C80 and D20, and the correct answer is B40. The 1992 Nobel Prize of Medicine was awarded to the Edmund Fischer and Edwin Krebs for their work on A, human genome project, B, drug designing involving inhibition of DNA synthesis of the pathogen. C. Regulation of cell process due to the reversible phosphorylation. D. Isolation of the gene for a human disease. And the correct answer is C. Regulation of the process due to the reversible phosphorylation. They won the Nobel Prize in 1992. In mitochondria, Christie act as a site of A. Breakdown of macromolecules, B. Oxidation or reduction reaction, C. Protein synthesis, and D. Phosphorylation and the flavoprotein. And the correct answer is B. Oxidation reduction reaction. Which one of the following organelle is located near the nucleus and contain a collection of the flattened membrane-bound cisterine? A. Golgi apparatus, B. Centriole, C. Nucleus, and D. Mitochondria. And the correct answer is A. Golgi apparatus, क्योंकि सिस्टीन गोल्जी apparatus में ही पाया जाता है. Beside giving out secretory vesicles, the Golgi apparatus is also concerned with the formation of A. Grana of chloroplast, B. Cell plates after cell division in plant, C. Lysosomes, and D. Plastid. And the correct answer is lysosomes. The prokaryotic cells are characterized by A. The presence of distinct nucleus membrane, B. Absence of chromatin material, C. The presence of distinct chromosomes, D. Absence of nuclear membrane. And the correct answer is D. Absence of nuclear membrane. The eukaryotic chromosomes are made up of A. DNA and protein, B. DNA and lipids, C. DNA, D. RNA. And the correct answer is A. DNA and protein. The endoplasmic reticulum often bears A. Lysosome, B. Centriole, C. Peroxisome, and D. Ribosomes. And the correct answer is D. Ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic RNA, endoplasmic reticulum take place the ribosomes. Centrioles are found in A. Chromosomes, B. Spindle fiber, C. Centrosomes, and D. Centromere. And the correct answer is C. Centrosome. The bacterial ribosomes are of A. 50 type, B. 70 type, C. 30 types, and D. 80 type. And the correct answer is B. 70 type. Mitochondria are absent in red algae, B. Bacteria, C. Brown algae, and D. Green algae. And the correct answer is B. Bacteria. The rapidly dividing cell's endoplasmic reticulum is A. Poorly developed, B. Highly developed, and C. Absent, and D. Non-absent. And the correct answer is B. Highly developed structure. The internal layer joining the primary walls of the two adjacent cells is called A. Plasmodesmata, B. Middle lamellae, C. Casparian strip, D. Periderm. And the correct answer is B. Middle lamellae. Plant cells do not possess A. Spindle fiber, B. Centrioles, C. Esters, and D. Centriole and esters. And the correct answer is D. Centrioles and esters. The color of rose petals is due to the presence of water-soluble pigment in A. Cytoplasm, B. Intracellular space, C. Nucleus, and D. vacuoles. And the correct answer is D. Vacuoles. The strength and rigidity of the cell wall is due to the substance called A. Suberin, B. Cellulose, C. Lignin, and D. Pectin. And the correct answer is C. Lignin. According to the unit membrane model, the thickness of the cell membrane is approximately A. 200 nm, B. 7.5 nm, C. 150 nm, and D. 1.0 nm. And the correct answer is 7.5 nm. The function of nucleolus is the synthesis of A. Transfer RNA, B. Messenger RNA, C. Ribosomal RNA, D. DNA. And the correct answer is C. Ribosomal RNA. Pharmoplast is precursor of A. Cell plate, B. Chromoplast, C. Chloroplast, and D. Colorless plastid. And the correct answer is A. Cell plate. The nucleoplasm is the continuous with cytoplasm of the cell through A. Golgi apparatus, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Nuclear pore, and D. Centriole. And the correct answer is C. Nuclear pore. Lysosomes are so called because these contain enzymes which are A. Carboxylating, B. Respiratory, C. Oxidizing, and D. Digestive. The correct answer is digestive. Hydrolytic and digestive. Plasmolema consists of A. Lipoprotein, B. Protein, C. Lipid, and D. Carbohydrate. And the correct answer is A. Lipoprotein, lipid, and protein. Fluid mosaic model was proposed by Singer, B. Danieli, C. Robertson, and D. Nageli. And the correct answer is A. Singer and Nicholson. Maximum hydrolytic enzymes are found in A. Lysosome, B. Peroxisome, C. Dictyosome, and D. Chloroplast. And the correct answer is again liposome. Ribosomes is A. RNA without sugar, B. RNA without phosphate, C. RNA having enzyme activity, D. RNA with extra phosphate. And the correct answer is C. RNA having enzyme activity. The nucleoside is A. Base plus sugar, B. Base plus phosphate, C. Sugar plus phosphate, D. Sugar, base, and phosphate. And the correct answer is A. Base plus sugar, base and sugar. In prokaryotes, which of the following is present? A. Mitochondria, B. Nucleus, C. Golgi body, D. None of these. And the correct answer is D. The site of cellular respiration is A. Nucleus, B. Ribosomes, C. Mitochondria, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. And the correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Desmosomes are concerned with A. Cell division, B. Cellular excretion, C. Cytolysis, and D. Cell adhesion. And the correct answer is D. Cell adhesion. The polytene chromosomes were discovered for the first time in A. Chromonomus, Chironomus, B. Fruit fly, C. Drosophila, D. Housefly. And the correct answer is Cryonomus. Polytene chromosomes. The cell theory was proposed by A. Sladen and Swan, Hugo D. Weiss, C. Robert Hooke, and D. R. Bischoff. And the correct answer is A. Sladen and Swan. The division of the plant kingdom into prokaryotes and eukaryotes is it's based on the characters of A. Nucleus only, B. Chromosomes only, C. Cell organelle only, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Nucleus only. Which one of the following cell organelles lacks a unit membrane? A. Lysosomes, B. Microbody, C. Ribosomes, D. Microfilament. And the correct answer is C. Ribosomes. In DNA, base pairing occur as thymine with adenine and cytosine with cytosine. B. Adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine. C. Thymine with cytosine and guanine with adenine. Adenine with cytosine and guanine with thymine. And the correct answer is B. Adenine with thymine, cytosine with guanine. A to A and C is G. Watson and Crick are known for their discovery that DNA is a single-stranded helix. B. Contain deoxyribosomes only. C. Is a double-stranded helix. And D. Synthesis RNA. And the correct answer is C. It's a double helix stranded helix. DNA is present in nucleus only, mitochondria only, chloroplast only, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. The nucleus spindle consists of A. One type of fiber, B. Two type of fiber, and C. Three type of fiber, and D. Four type of fiber. And the correct answer is B. Two type of fibers. Animal cell differ from plant cell is having A. Centrosome, B. Golgi body, C. Vacuoles, and D. Plastid. And the correct answer is plastid. No, the animal cell differ from plant cell is having centrosome, not plastid. Plastid is present in plant cell. A. Ribosomes composed of A. DNA, RNA, and protein. B. Only protein. C. Protein and RNA. D. DNA and RNA. And the correct answer is C. Protein and RNA. In middle lamellae of the plant cell wall, one of the main elements is A. Iron, B. Calcium, B. Magnesium, and D. Potassium. And the correct answer is B. Calcium. A. Nucleoside differ from a nucleotide in the not having A. Phosphate, B. Sugar, C. Nitrogen base, D. Phosphate and sugar. And the correct answer is A. Phosphate. Four different type of chromosome but of the same size of sterilized as. And the correct answer is metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. And the correct answer is C. Which one of the following cell organelles remain enveloped by the single unit membrane only? And the correct answer is again lysosomes. Ribosomes are the site for again protein synthesis. Now these are the filling the blanks. A network of dark staining fiber is known as. The correct answer is chromatin. Chromatin. Thylakoid are aggregate form of, everybody knows, grana. Thyroid are aggregate form to grana. 3. Nuclear envelope has many pores known as nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. Lysosomes are popularly called as suicidal bag, everybody know. Fluid mosaic model was proposed to explain the organization of plasma lemma. The ribosomes present in mitochondria is called ribosomes. 7. Mitochondria whose outer membrane is removed is called mitoplast. 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 Dash of prokaryotes are analogous to mitochondria of eukaryotes. Correct answer is mesosomes. Organelle in which nuclear material is not bounded by a definite nuclear membrane is known as prokaryote. The leucoplast which store fats are called ileoplast. Living plant cells without nucleus are seed tubes. Microtubules are made up of tubulin. Synthesis of ribosomes take place in nucleolus. Now this series is completed. अब हम नेक्स्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट करेंगे प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी, जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है. तो गाइस प्लीज़ like the video and subscribe the channel and share always. Thank you.